So 2023 is about to end and mostly students are thinking about the most ideal and the most secure part that they can choose to follow to get their dream job in 2024, where there have been a change going on in IT market. So in this series of Get Your Dream Job in 2024, we will be covering up with the topics and doubts and a perfect part that you can choose to get your dream job in 2024. So if you are in your first, second, third or even in your fourth year, so you can watch these videos entirely to get a clear understanding about the hustle that you are going to follow in 2024 so that you don't run in the wrong direction. Welcome to your channel Priyanshu Singh. In this first episode, we are going to talk about the most asked question in this current scenario is that is DSA still relevant? Should I do DSA or not? Is DSA dead now? So the most cliche answer that you must have heard about this on YouTube or internet is that companies use DSA as a common ground to check your skills. Please don't fall into that, as we are talking about 2024 and things have been changed drastically. So DSA was basically used as a common ground initially to check the problem solving skills of a candidate, but now the things have been changed drastically as companies are asking for real life skills as they are hiring for a specific job role. But does that mean that you don't need to do DSA? No, just do the basic part like array, string and list, which is enough for 90% of the companies, and the rest 10% where advanced DSA is asked, there is a cutthroat competition going on and you don't really need to get into that rabbit hole. And one thing that I want to tell is that don't fall for influencers, those so-called famous influencers, because they tell that DSA is still relevant, and after just saying that DSA is still relevant, they bring up their paid course. So please don't fall into that. They may attract you by saying 100% placement guarantee. Please don't fall for it and don't believe it, because there is nothing like 100% placement, at least on this earth. चलो एक सेकंड मान लेते हैं कि DSA करके आपको जॉब लग गई, आपने एक एंटी बैरियर क्रॉस कर लिया, बट इवेंचुअली आपको जाके करना तो डेवलपमेंट ही है. देन व्हाई नॉट टू चूज डेवलपमेंट वे बिफोर, ताकि आप उस पॉइंट तक पहुंचते पहुंचते बाकी लोगों से आप काफ़ी आगे बढ़ जाओ. And one more suggestion I want to add on here is that please don't search on Google that how to get into Mank, because आपको वही 10 वीडियोस मिल जाएंगी जो कि सेम रिपीटेटिव चीज़ें आपको बताएंगे कि हाँ DSA कर लो, कंप्यूटर फंडामेंटल्स कर लो, सिस्टम डिज़ाइन कर लो, एंड या यू आर रेडी टू गो टू गेट इंटरव्यूज़. But why you are choosing only those 10% of the companies where there is a cutthroat competition going on? 90% कंपनीज तो वहाँ पे पड़ी हुई है जहाँ जो डेवलपमेंट पूछ रही है, जो कि रियल लाइफ स्किल्स चाहती है, जो बड़े बड़े स्टार्टअप्स हो गए या छोटे स्टार्टअप्स हो गए. आपको गिनी चुनी कंपनीज के पीछे जा रहे हो जहाँ की मोस्टली 90% स्टूडेंट्स वहाँ पे जा रहे हैं. तो आप भी अगर वहाँ पे जा रहे हो तो भीड़ चाल में जा रहे हो. एंड अगर आप डेवलपमेंट करते हो, इफ़ यू आर डूइंग डेवलपमेंट, देन यू कैन डेवलप योर ओन प्रोजेक्ट्स, यू कैन बिल्ड योर ओन प्रोफाइल, यू कैन बिल्ड योर ओन पोर्टफोलियो, यू कैन ऑल्सो फ्रीलांस. अगर आप सिर्फ DSA करते हो आप फ्रीलांस नहीं कर पाओगे. देर इज़ नो ऑप्शन फॉर फ्रीलांसिंग इन DSA. बट अगर आप डेवलपमेंट करते हो देन यू हैव अ लॉट मोर अपॉर्चुनिटीज. यू कैन क्रिएट योर फ्रीलांसिंग प्रोफाइल, you can earn well, you can create your own channel, teach students, and regardless of all these things, if you are doing development you will get a bigger pool of companies to get in. But if you do just DSA, then you get a very small pool of companies where mostly students are competing with. But if you do development and just a little bit of DSA, then you are good to go, and 90% of companies में you आप eligible हो जाओगे. So my suggestion here is that थोड़ा सा DSA कर लो, एरे कर लो, स्ट्रिंग कर लो, एंड लिस्ट कर लो थोड़ा सा. ये इट डजेंट टेक मोर देन 10 to 15 days एंड यू आर गुड टू गो. और देन आप अपना डेवलपमेंट करो. सो इस वीडियो में बस इतना ही. सो आई थिंक आई मेड इट वेरी मच क्लियर दैट हाउ यू नीड टू चूज DSA और डेवलपमेंट. इफ़ यू हैव एनी थॉट्स और एनी सजेशन फॉर मी, प्लीज शूट योर कमेंट्स इन द कमेंट बॉक्स बिलो. एंड इफ़ यू रियली लाइक द वीडियो then please do share the video. Thank you. Let's meet in the second episode of How to Get Your Dream Job in 2024. Till then, bye bye.